Yeah.
2025 is on Aleksanterinkatu 30 staircase in Lahti, Finland, but this is the last one for me in this building, or?
Yeah, or no, you have A.
Staircase A, but we can take it right here also.
Yeah.
It has been built in 1951 or 2005 with evergreen fixtures HH82. It's right, so quickly. Capacity is 4 cars, 30 grams. And Hissinhuolto originally. I like this. Sounds and smell.
Same. Istutittaa kiva inspiroitua Kone.